Hey everyone, I made it into a new Homegoods location. So if you're in Arizona, it's the Homegoods open on the 303 right across from Costco. So a lot of this Easter decor I know we've seen before. It is really crowded in here. It's like grand opening, so I'm just gonna kind of do more scanning. A lot of the gnomes. Then we have like your larger eggs down here. That sugar cookie bunny I know we've seen is so lovely. I love it. This little guy with the flower, he is really cute. Oh, here's a different bunny by Shabby Chic for $13. I like that one. I like her little scarf right here too. And the larger ones are in the back. Annalise, the bunnies. This jelly bean one is just so cool. I know there's one where jelly beans are in the barrel. And more gnomes here. Look at this guy. He's cute. Look at his whole family. He's like, he needs a vacation. That dad needs a vacation. $20. And let me bring this one up right here. I mean, if you're not a fan of gnomes, I totally get it. But I kind of like the ones that are really different. And I'm not a gnomey person. They're wearing little carrot hats. How funny. And then there's one, if I could get to it, there's one that says like welcome on it. That dad again. Then eggs and then more decor. I'm gonna walk around this side. There's like people all over the place. Lots of vases. Okay, they have the books out. Lovely blue color. This one next to me is $17. I like this one a lot. Those on top, those are so lovely. I wish I could get into that price. This one you could find at the at-home store, you guys. Let me see. Oh, can't get into it. I have to keep moving. They have the glass bird. He is 20, like the geometric shape man. That's 15. I'm not too sure what that is. Is that like a birdhouse or something? But it's like 450. It is large. Vases and pottery, you know, like gardening and decor over here on this side. There we go. I want to make sure I don't get some people. Okay, I love this guy. $59.98. Look at this guy. Don't you love him? He is cool looking. Let me keep walking. I'll walk down here. I have this moon one. It looks like this one is 15. Oh, here's a mushroom one for $40. Wow. You know, I've been so fascinated with like all the mushroom. Look at these cool birds. The little hummingbird ones. Those are cool.
Do you want to get the mushroom thing?
It would make a lot of noise.
I never see it again.
I know, we would never see it again. But this line here is insane. Okay, I'm just gonna have to pan out. Oops. A lot of the blinged out vases. So like $40 right here. And then on this wall, you guys, is nothing but like outdoor dinnerware. And I know we've seen plenty before. But this flamingo one is like really, really cute, right? You have like the turtle dishes, some nautical themes. Walk down here again, it's empty. You know, it looks big, but it's not as big as the other Home Goods I normally go to. Maybe because it's just really, really crowded right now. I like that chick one. I'll get you my pretties. So this one is here, the cookie jar for $25. I know we've seen the mug. Okay, I've seen these before, but I'm loving this style. $7. Normally I just stick to white. It goes with everything. But I feel like this is a good like rice teriyaki bowl, salad. I don't know, I really like them. These are really nice. They're $7. Then we have the stirring spoons over here. Oh, there's plenty. Here's like a little butterfly print one. Isn't that really pretty? A lot of glassware. Then we have like your gold over here. I think she thought I was filming her. I know. I wasn't. Kind of looks like it when I'm looking at stuff like this, but I'm not.
These are like the stones from India.
Okay, those are really cute. The bottle stopper. Opener. They have a butterfly one. They have a bee and a sunflower. Okay, made it into the food is behind me. This is like more kitchen decor. Oh, look at the strawberry top. That's cute. Do some pickling in there. Oh, look, they even have like an apple one and a lemon one. These are really cute. I've never seen these. Okay, and of course they have your vitamins. We have the tea, we have the matcha, we have keto collagen for $8, chai latte, avocado, like monk fruit. It's really good to find a fully stocked, like brand new, you know. I give it till the weekend and see what it really looks like. But you know, you guys are hard workers, so retail workers, I know what it's like. Trust me, like even fast food, I know what it's like, you know. It's a lot of work, and a lot of people come down on people like that. It's like, you guys, it's freaking work, and trust me. That looks kind of good. And we have like silver decor. I see silver bunnies. We have a giraffe. More gold decor. Next to me, okay, check this out. Turn on the light real quick. On the end cap. This is really cool, right?
Yeah, that's a nice one.
Then we have like your tiny ones, which I know we've seen before. And your larger ones down here. Okay. This one is $50. Okay, I came down the doggy area, you guys, so it'll be kind of like a hippity hop around different aisles, just so it's not so crowded. Plenty of baskets down there. Let me walk down here. Not as much like home decor, like furniture, just a few in the middle. I feel like if you want a Home Goods with really good home decor, Desert Ridge is actually not bad, and the one in Goodyear, or Surprise, this is kind of cool. I like it. Of course, they have pillows, tons of pillows. Your blankets are over here. It looks like a lot of shamrock blankets, different type of throws, spring bunnies, egg, and they have your blue. That one looks like a sweater, right? It's really cute. And then here's more blues. Oh. Oh, look at that doggy one. I don't think I've seen that doggy one. It's really cool. Look at this. For $2,300, you could own this bad boy. The little entertainment console. Some cute dish bathroom. And they have the bling here. I like these acrylic ones too. These are 20 with the knob. These are cute too. Okay. Bathroom decor, they have grays. These pumps are my favorite. Oh, I love that green. It's by Chahari Home. Let's see, 15. These are by Martha. And they're $9. These are really thick too. Okay, these are nice towels too if you're looking for towels. 15. Here's DKNY. I need some. How much are these here? These are 9. In their bedding, we have Scout Home. These are 20. They also have the quilt in the back for 40. That's the twin. Oh, they have a pink one too. Okay. Trying to see if I can find good bedding here because it's a brand new store. Vera Wing on top, 100% organic. That is $59.99. Wow, everyone is in the bedding. Okay, $20 a 6-piece set. Rachel Roy right here. Laura Ashley. A lot of DKNY. Okay, how to get out of the bedding decor. Now we're making our way back. Oh wow. Here's some wall art. Let's see, this lady, oops, she is $40. Nikki Creative. Oh gosh, they stepped on gum. We hate that. These are 30. I don't get them. So this one is by Nicole Miller for $130. Alright you guys, I think I'm gonna go ahead and end the video here in this location. Again, if you're, you know, right across the street from Costco, off the 303, right? Oh gosh. Waddell and the 303, they got loads of stores that opened up. But let me get out of here. Please stay safe and I will see all of you in the next one.